budget planning. Create a post-divorce budget that outlines your expected expenses and income. Consider how your financial situation will change after divorce, including child support or alimony payments, if applicable. So that's probably one of the biggest concerns clients have is what is their financial future going to look like post-divorce? You have one set of income, you and your spouse's income, one set of expenses, the home you live in, apartment, etc., and you have that financial plan in place. You put money aside, you put money into your 401ks, whatever you do, car payments, and then you have a budget, right? That's going to completely change post divorce because now you're going to have your one or two incomes, whether both of you are working or one of you are working, and now you're going to have two sets of expenses. There's going to be two household expenses, unless you continue to live together, which some of my clients are. But you're going to have your now rent or your new mortgage or whatnot. Keep in mind, if you're buying out your spouse of the house, your interest rate goes up, and you're now refinancing more, your payment's going to go up in addition to paying for that all on your own, as opposed to the combined income, assuming you both were working. And again, as it referenced, paying alimony and child support and or receiving alimony and child support, what does that look like when this is all over with and your divorce is approved and you've moved out and you guys are living separately? What does that look like? So you're going to want to start to create a budget, if you will, what your financial scene will look like post-divorce. And that might help you assess as far as how much alimony or child support you might need, and or if you're the paying spouse, how much you can, I don't want to say use the word afford because that's not how that works, but what can you guys negotiate that works for both of you? I always say when you're going from this scenario, if your budget was already tight living together, it's going to become even more tight living apart, and that's the downside to that.